We're here in Cidade das Artes celebrating Carl Nielsen's 150th birthday. Carl Nielsen is a Danish composer and he wrote a lot of big works, including a string quartet for violin, viola and cello. What I loved about the concert was that the musicians, they play so extremely well together. The girls, they played together for 8 years. And they started out studying together at the same school. They had the same teacher. They played together 8 hours per day, and they just did that. So after 8 years, of course, they played incredibly good.